Hello friends, my name is Vijay and today I'm going to show you how you can search image on Google. So keep watching and stay tuned with me. So friend, first of all I'm going to open my Google Chrome and here I'm going to open my private window. So this is my Google page, and for example here I'm going to search any image like Taj Mahal. Okay, so here you can see this is Taj Mahal and I want to search this image where this image is using right now. So what I will do, simply just click and hold and drag over here, so I can see Google will search this image anywhere where this image used. So friend, you can see this is the sample image which I drag over here, and here Google is providing us the mini size of this image. For example, if I click here, so this will give me the size. Here you can see this is large size and all the size option you can see over here, the same image. And second thing you can check over here, this is the one website where this image is posted, and this is Facebook, this is bgr.in, and other websites are using the same image with the same size and all. Okay, and here if you want to add size criteria, and here for example I have selected this one, so this is giving me this option. So now I'm going to show you another example. For example, here I'm going to add Kawasaki Ninja. So friend, for example, right now I want to see this image and where this image is available on the internet. So what I will do, simply click here and drag over here. So Google will search same image which is available on different websites, that will grab from all over the websites. So this is the website, this website is using the same image. You can see the list of the websites who are using the same image, so you can get the information. For example, if you have your website and you are developing any product, and if someone is using the same image, then you can search through this method, so you will get the information how many websites are using your image. Okay, so here I'm going to show you some advanced settings of the image search. So here I'm going to click on this tools. Here click on this visual similar or more size, you can select over here, so you will get the different size of the image. Or here the uses right, and here Google provide you the labeled for reuse with the modification, labeled for reuse, labeled for non-commercial, reuse with the modification. You can use this image through these things. For example, if you want to use for non-commercial reuses, just click over here, so you will get the information. Non-filter, you will get all the things. You can select the size. If you want how many months or weeks or year old images, you can select over here. And if you want to clear, just click here, so this will clear all the things. Okay, so friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on this like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things, how to search images on the Google. And if you like, please subscribe our YouTube channel, because I'm uploading this type of tutorial every week, so you will get the notify. So thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.